जो गोवा में कांग्रेस है उसने लगातार मेमोरेंडम दिए थे और इसका जिक्र अपने बयान में सत्यपाल मलिक ने भी एक टीवी चैनल को बताया था कि कांग्रेस के जो नेता थे उन्होंने मेमोरेंडम दिया था और उस मेमोरेंडम के आधार पर उन्होंने एक रिपोर्ट बनाकर प्रधानमंत्री को सौंपी थी और प्रधानमंत्री ने जो व्यक्ति शामिल थे उन्हीं से पूछा और उसके बाद इनका तबादला हो गया।
Yesterday's statement made by Governor Shri Satyapal Malik just exposes the reality of what is happening in Goa. Because this is a person who is not an ordinary man. He was the governor of Goa during the pandemic period. He had access to information. The Congress party had told and demanded the governor at that point of time that there is corruption going on and this matter should be looked into. And he has looked into the matter. He has found that our allegations were true. And after ascertaining the facts, as a governor, he has done his job in informing the center. He has informed the Prime Minister. So, what more damaging than this can be of the role of the Prime Minister and the role of the Chief Minister in protecting and indulging in corruption? The Chowkidar who is supposed to safeguard our country and protect the country's assets and to protect the expenditure that the government does, when he finds out information from his own governor, who he has appointed by recommending his name to the President of India, when he gets such an information, what has the Prime Minister done? He has removed the governor who told him about this naked corruption taking place in Goa. So what does that mean? It means Chowkidar chor hai.